Hey, what's up guys? Nathan TDF here back with another video, and in today's video, I'm here with episode 20 of the Ocean Life Survival Series. And in today's video, I have Aiden, TEW1, with me right now. He is Steve because the skins were glitching, so he has to be Steve. Otherwise, he'll appear with my skin. Anyways, okay, so if you'll follow me to the portal room, Aiden? Follow me to the portal room. Come on. Uh-oh.
I'm stuck.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm not.
Where are you?
I'm over here.
Just jump out. Oh, wrong way. Okay, this way. And here. Okay, so, then you go right. This way. And here's the portal. So, now you should remember where it is.
I'm going to again.
That wasn't supposed to be there. Where are you? You're supposed to get in the portal. Oh, never mind. You're here. So, in today's video, wait, are you invisible? Oh, no, you're not. Okay, so follow me out here. So, there are a couple of things that, no, don't get in the portal. A couple of things changed here, Aiden, so, there's a new bridge.
I can't hit that thing.
What are you talking about?
I can hit that thing.
Yes, you can. You just can't hit me.
I can break that thing later.
Yes, you can. Use your pickaxe. Try.
And nothing happens.
Try again.
What?
Wait, what? Hold on.
Nothing happens. I can do it.
Oh, right. Try again.
Okay. And nothing happens.
Really? Oh, I'm on fire.
And I know again this fight either.
Are you sure? Nothing happens?
No. Nothing happened.
That's weird.
And I can.
Hold on. What is your game mode?
For my game mode.
I hope you're not in adventure mode for some reason.
I'm not in adventure?
That's the only thing that would make sense.
I want to get in the fire. Can I get in this fire? I would.
No, I don't think I did that right. Okay, now try.
Nothing happens.
Well, we don't really have time to worry about that. So just follow me over here.
Whoa.
Get in the bridge. Ah.
No! I die now.
Where are you?
I'm in the lava.
Oh my gosh.
And I die.
There goes your new armor.
Huh?
Can you make it back here?
I can't. I'm not here.
And, we'll be right back. As soon... Wait, no.
I can't open chest.
Don't open the chest.
Why? I can't.
Just don't.
Fine, I'll close it.
Oh.
And no toe pork.
It's not that. It's ender pearls.
Because there's no air crows in here. I want bread.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on.
I want to get bread.
No.
Why? Did that Jordan's? Did that Jordan's?
Aiden, just not right now. Don't do this.
Don't open just
Don't do it.
Okay.
I'm over here. How do you not remember where this stuff is?
Hello? Now what you eat? Now what you eat?
Jeez, do you have your sound up that loud?
Why are you eating bread? That Jordan's.
No, this is my bread.
I'm going to get Jordan's bread.
No.
Why? So this his? This his bread?
Sorry, I guess I forgot to give you food.
Come on. I got a coin.
Here, just take it. Just take it.
What? Thanks? I can't eat it.
Maybe because you're not hungry. Now follow me. Aiden, really? Half of episode 20 is wasted. Come on, follow me. Just don't die again. Just don't do it.
Don't do it on stairs?
Follow me.
Okay, I'm following you.
Or would you rather stay in the overworld? Are you in the portal or what?
Get in the portal again?
Yes.
Okay.
I hope you didn't leave my door open.
Let's go out.
Come on, through the door. I probably should have made Don't even think about it.
I'm not hungry.
Come over here.
Oh, I'm not get some. I'm not get some.
Oh, speaking of which, come over here. Uh-oh, you're getting attacked. Put your shield up.
Where?
Your shield.
Where?
Sneak. You're about to get blasted. Oh, it's over here. I got him.
Where go?
Got him. Where are you?
Over here.
Okay, come over.
I got my shield up now.
Okay, be careful.
Okay.
See? Ah. Okay.
Told you. I'm not dying now.
Well, that's not good.
Yeah, that's not good. And I in here.
Sorry about this, guys. We're having some technical difficulties. You know, I'm just gonna...
Fine, I'll take an egg.
No.
Fine.
No.
That Jordan's?
No.
That Jordan's.
He's not on this world.
Fine. So him be
Okay, guys. I'll be right back as soon as we're there. So, yeah. See you in a second.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. We're here now, so... Aiden, where are you going?
I'm going over here.
No.
What? What is going?
Ooh. Where are you?
Right here.
Follow me.
Fly over there. Come and sort out. What?
Be careful.
Why?
Oh, you want to fall off?
No. Hey, why are you fat?
Because I'm running and jumping. You don't even know where I... Oh, yes, you do. Okay. Uh-oh. Wither skeleton and a blaze coming up. Be sure to block. Uh-oh. Block.
What am I?
Got him.
What am I?
Where'd you go?
too.
Did you fall off? I think you fell off. Just get some mobs, okay? Just, you know what to do, right? Ah. I'll try to have some more people on, by the way, guys. Like, whoa. Aiden TW1. And you died. Great.
I got it.
Just stay there.
Don't stay.
Wait, why are you in? Oh my gosh, that's not your room.
This is not my room.
No.
Not my room.
Oh man, I better block. Your room is here.
I can't sleep.
Don't even. Okay, so you're in a different dimension than me. Well, yeah, I think that's what it's called.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, oh my gosh. Okay, Aiden, I'm back.
Which one room?
I just realized
I'll
something.
sleep on my bed.
A lot of YouTubers call each other by their real names.
I can open a shed. Pickaxe!
No, that's not yours.
That yours?
That's the starter pack.
I can open shed.
Get away. Get away. Get away.
I can fight you. I can't hit you.
Oh, you wanna hit me?
Yes.
Okay, bring it on.
Okay.
If I win, this video is over. Yep, I win. Hey.
Do not want me in the skin.
Got you again. Okay, no more.
Okay. Okay.
Put your sword up.
Why?
Do it.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
Where put?
Your hand.
My hand?
No, your hand. Press your hand. Your empty slot. See? I got some arrows.
What?
Hey, get out the chest.
Why?
Anyways, that brings this video to an end.
Man, I'm not getting
Hey, I'm trying to do the outro. I'm trying to do the outro here.
I got a pickaxe.
Hey, what do you think you're doing?
Nothing.
You see this turtle over here? Anyway, that's irrelevant.
No turtle.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment, and tap that bell to be notified of all my future videos. And comment if you if you want me to have other people
Nate.
on part 2.
No, Nate.
Sorry. Anyways, I think he's gonna chase me now. Yeah, he is. So yeah. Just don't forget those things, and stay tuned. So that wraps this one up, and I'll see you in the next one.